Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday and I'm taking you guys thrifting with me. It's my first time doing something like this, so we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to be recording on my phone. Right now I'm on my camera because I don't really want to have this, out while I'm trying to do all that and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys already saw at the beginning of this video, I took you guys along with me to the thrift store. It wasn't as detailed as I wanted it to be because it was kind of popping in there. Probably need to do that during the week, so I'll probably make another attempt as to really do like a real detail come thrift with me, like how I go through each section, what section I go to first, and all that stuff like that. So I'm going to do that in another video. So if this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan. I do fashion videos, lookbooks, hauls, vlogs, mom vlogs, and just other fun stuff like that. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. And you can be a BFF. I was stumbling on my words right there, sorry. And you can become a BFF because I'm your best friend in your head, and you'll see that by the end of this video. And if you are a returning viewer or subscriber, or you are already a BFF, then hey, how you doing? Let's get it crack-a-lacking. Let's get into this video. So the first thing that I got from the thrift store, this is from the last visit that I went on. If you watched my vlog, when I went shopping with Ryan, I got like, I think 3 or 4 things that day. So this is one of the items here. It's very colorful button down, multi-printed blouse, and it is a little oversized, but I really liked how it fit me, and I actually had an outfit planned for this when I went out of town last weekend, but I didn't end up wearing it because we just ended up not going to that event, so I didn't wear it, but I will wear it sometime, and of course I will feature that on my Instagram, or I might do something here with that. But yeah, love this. Or I might do a thrift lookbook. I haven't done one of those in a while, so maybe. So this one I don't have on the hanger and stuff yet because this is one of the ones I have to wash. But this item is actually from Zara. So this was like the first thing that I saw when I went into the thrift store the last time. First thing that caught my eye. I really love the color because it's very nice, rich fall color to me. Like I've really been drawn to this type of color for the season. Like that ginger, golden color, really like this. And I think this might be, is it silk or something? Hold on. Oh, they cut the thing out. Crap, I can't see the fabric content. Feels like something that is dry clean only. They cut out the fabric tag, so I'm just gonna have to guess. I feel like I probably will have to dry clean it just to be on the safe side. But this was actually $5.99. This still has the tag or whatever, and I think it's supposed to be like a tunic dress. So I'm not exactly sure how I will style this yet. I might actually wear it as a tunic dress and belt it with some thigh-high boots for the fall. Or, I don't know, I might wear it as a shirt and kind of freak it, do the off-the-shoulder thing that I like to do, which you guys already know. I don't know, we'll see. This will be fun to play around with. And this actually caught my eye when I was on the way to the fitting room today. And this is so cute to me. Like, I really love the colors in it. It just made me think of like elementary school. I know that's kind of weird, but like the grade school, like the younger grades and stuff, they have all the primary colors and all that. And that just, I don't know, it just reminded me of that. But I liked it. But I think this could be really fun to play around with as well. I love a good button down. I love a good printed button down. That's something that you won't see at any stores, or hard to find at any stores like that. But yeah, this one was $2.99. The last clothing item is this blazer. I'm actually getting back into blazers. There was one period in my life where I was obsessed with blazers. I think this was like 2011, 14 era, I don't know. But I was obsessed with blazers. I used to have a slew of them, and I pretty much got rid of all of them like before I moved here. So yeah, I really want to, I don't know, I just really want to get back into them. So I saw this today, and this is actually like a muted orange. It's kind of how I'm describing it, and it is 100% wool, but it does have the lining so it doesn't make it itchy. And it has a 1-button closure, and it is wrinkled, so I would have to like press it out or go get it pressed or something like that. And yeah, like I said, 1-button closure, and it does have actual pockets. The pockets aren't sewn down, or they probably were and they've been opened or whatever. But yeah, it has the pockets there. And I thought this was such a nice color for the fall as well, to be able to pair with things that I already have. I think this would look good with nice browns and tans and things like that, or even like with black, honestly. Ooh, like a black snakeskin. Oh, I got a black snakeskin booty. That'd be cute with that. Yep, that'd be real cute. But yeah, something like that, you know. I just feel like it's a lot that I can do with this. I got this beautiful scarf here, and I want to actually use it as a head wrap. I thought this would be really pretty, again, for the fall, that I could do like an all black outfit and then just have this pop, you know, with the color, and maybe do like a red lip or something with it. I don't know, I just really liked it. I saw it when I was waiting in line to try on, and it caught my eye. Didn't really have a whole lot of time today, like I would like, to really scour the racks and all that stuff, because I feel like I would have found like a lot more stuff, but I kind of had to, I was on the clock because I was yeah, I had other stuff to do, so I had to kind of make it quick. But yeah, but I really like. Okay, so I got this black clutch here, and I actually wore it last weekend, so I've already cleaned it up. And it had a chain attached to it, like a chain strap, but it was tarnished, and so I took that off and threw that away, and then I just carry it as a clutch. So it's that patent leather, which went with the shoes that I had, some strappy shoes that was patent leather, so that was actually perfect. I think this was, it was like $4, but it was like 25% off of the accessories, so I got a pretty good deal on that. Lastly, I want to show you guys some earrings that I got. I have not cleaned these yet because I have not worn them, but I got these earrings, and I think these were $2.99, and then it was additional 25% off. They're green and black. The green is actually a little bit darker than what is showing up on the camera here. I'm trying to get it to focus. Yeah, it's a little bit darker than what it's showing, but I thought these were kind of like a retro look, and I really like them. And I don't have a ton of accessories anymore. I cleaned out a lot of my accessories before I moved last year, so I am getting my collection back up. But I wanted to make sure when I buy pieces that stand out, or at least one of a kind, like going to a thrift store, because I mostly just wear hoops a lot. So I want to get earrings, you know, that kind of stand out and that can pull my look together and stuff. So yeah, so these were perfect for that. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. That completes this thrift haul. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more haul videos. And again, like I said, I will be doing a more detailed come thrift shop with me video in the future, near future. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you become a BFF and click that notification bell so you know your girl uploads a new video. And all my social media networks is down below in the description box. And as always, I'll see you guys